Hi guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get free resources. You can see that I barely have anything in this account. All you need to do is visit the site in this video. The resources generators are user-friendly and very easy to use. In order to connect your account to the generator, you need to enter your email address. Choose the platform on which you are playing on. Choose the amount of resources that you need. Click on the button Hack Now or Generate. Right now it's preparing data to inject into your account. This can take about a minute or two. This is the last step you need to do. You need to complete a short human verification, and I know that a lot of people are against these. But to be sure to prevent hacker activity from bots to collecting resources, this is definitely worth it for the resources you will get. You have to install 3 apps, and run them for 30 seconds, and get max resources in return, which is quite worth it. So we are just going to go ahead and install these apps. I go with these, but you can choose any apps you want. All you have to do is open, and run the apps for 30 seconds. 30 seconds just to be sure. The minimum is 30 seconds, but if it happens to do less or it wasn't connected to the server for the whole time, you will not get your reward, and you will have to restart the process. And just to be clear, you do not have to make any purchases in these apps whatsoever. This is completely safe. You're downloading from the Google and Apple App Store. So once we have finished with the apps, now going back into the game. As you can see, my resources balance is going up and up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget